A friend told me that sometimes a painting is just a painting, and it's okay if a drawing is just a drawing too, right? We can stylize, we can interpret. In fact, a big part of becoming an artist who discovers their voice is that you are trying to find the way that you stylize. And the way that you stylize things is really a deviation from the things that everyone can observe. So if you think about going to a figure drawing class and you're looking to draw accurately, that's great. That's where you need to begin. But at some point, you have to make decisions because they look right or they feel right or they're amplifying a movement or an exaggeration. Watch a live action version of an animated movie and tell me that the animation isn't more effective because of its stylization. So this drawing is just a setup, just trying to play with the stylization from photography and to take ownership of the drawing. Give it a shot.